Hello children, I am Deepak Bodh of your math teacher. Today we are going to read the overview of the lesson The Fish Tale. Because we have read this lesson, but in that video I not include the chapter of NCERT. Today we are going to read with NCERT book, and I will try to finish this chapter in one video lecture. You know, the fish tail. Tail, here tail means TAIL, but here is tale. Tale means kahani, story. The biggest fish is whale shark. It is actually not a whale, but is a big fish. Dear student, you know what is the meaning of a school of fish? A school of fish means the group of fish. Many animals live in group. That group is called herd, but group of fish is known as school. You can see in this picture the school of fish here. You can draw the picture of fish in this manner. To scare away the big fish, some small fish drink up a lot of water, swell up and looking big. It means to escape from big fish, because big fish eats the small fish, so the small fish drink much water to look big. Here are the many water animal. Just sea urchin, lobster, red snapper, eel, clam, prawn, parrotfish, octopus, jellyfish, cuttlefish, squid, crab, silver pomfret. These are the name of fish. You can see it in your book. Fishermen in their boat. I have discussed in previous video about the speed of boats. Here some questions are there. Here is imagine that there are fishermen in their boat going up and down with the wave. They started their trip when it is still dark. Some go on a simple boat made from log of wood tied together. If the sea is rough with very high tide and a strong wind, then these fishermen have a very difficult time. These log boats do not very far. If the wind is helpful, they travel about 4 kilometers in 1 hour. Then you have to calculate this. How long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometers? If in 1 hour in 1 hour they go for 4 kilometer. Then 10 kilometer, how much time will they take? Then you have to divide 10 kilometer by 4 equals to, you have to divide 10 by 4. Then 10 to ja 8 minus 2, here place 0 point and then 0 here. 4 5 ja 20. It means it take 2 whole 1 by 2 hour. It means 2 hour and 30 minute. 2 hour and 30 minute. I will tell in our next video how do you change 0.5 in minute. Guess how far you can go in 1 hour if you walk fast. Then you can feel, you can guess how far you travel or how will you walk in 1 hour. Then you have to solve it in your copy. Then find out what a catch. Out of sea, fishermen look a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. There they spread their net. They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nest. Look at the different type of boats. Some boats have motor and go further into the sea. Since they go far out, they can catch more fish. These boats travel faster at the speed of above 20 km in 1 hour. Then how far would the motor boat go in 3.5 hours? If 1 hour, in 1 hour it go in 20 km. Then in 3 hours this will go 20 into 3 equals to 60 km. And in half hour it will go 20 into half equals to 2 10 ja 20, 10 1 ja 10 km. Then total in 3.5 hour it will go 70 km. And next question is, how much time will they take to go 85 km? Then you will divide 85 by 20 equals to 4 point you can divide it 85 by 20, 24 ja 80 minus 5 then plus point 0 2 2 ja 40. Then this point will give another 0 and 2 5 ja 25 ja 100. It means in 4 hour and 15 minute it will cover 85 km in 4 hour and 15 minute. Then in here in one trip the logboat brings about 20 kg of fish, but other type of boat brings a bigger catch as given in the table. Look at the table and solve this and this question. First question is about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trip. Each type of boat in 7 trip. Log boat catch in 1 trip in kg, it will bring only 20 kg. Then in 7 kg 7 trip this will bring 140, and this 4200, and this 5600, and this 42,000 kg. It means in 7 trip all boats bring 140, log boat bring 140, long tail boat bring 4200 kg, motor boat can bring 5600, and machine boat can bring 42,000 kg. About how far second question is about how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours. Then you have to calculate the distance traveled by the motor boat in 6 hours. Then look here, motor boat 20 km per hour. It means in 1 hour motor boat can travel in 20 km. Then in 6 hours it will take 20 into 6 equals to 120 km. This will be the answer. And after that, see, if a long tail boat has to travel 60 km, how long will it take? Then long tail boat, the speed of long tail boat is 12 km per hour, and if it travels 60 km, then how long? It means you have to find time. I have told the formula in previous videos. You have to find the speed to time of motor boat to travel 60 km. Then time equals to, formula is distance by speed. Then distance will be 60 km and speed is given here 12 km per hour. Then you have to find 60 divided by 12 equals to 12 5 ja 60. It means it will take 5 hours. I hope you all are understand. Write these questions in your copy and this table also, and solve the question. This is for today. We will meet next tomorrow. Okay.